Disgusting.
Oh, they're hopeless. It is hard to believe they are at the top of the food chain.
I can't imagine beginning the day without licking myself. No hurry, but is there a plan?
Of course there's a plan. We follow this water to the big water, and then we find the lady with...
Larry, either your stomach is growling or something in your stomach is growling.
Wasn't me.
Oh man.
Let's go! There's a kid! A human kid!
Come on, y'all. They're not attacking us this very instant.